after 14 months of construction, it's time to clean up and recalibrate and inventory what we have. Yeah, clean up. This is gonna take a week or two. Wind tower with just screens. Oh, don't mind the fact that there are two different kinds of accent tiles. We ran out of the light color, and then we finally found this one. And shit, I wish we found this one first, because this is gorgeous. Yeah, still some unpacking to do, but many things have been unpacked, and none have been damaged due to any sort of mold or mildew. One thing there's no shortage of is wind. Because I asked for the door to swing this way instead of the other direction. When those winds come up, which they do every day, we need to close the door until I install a door stop so that I can make sure it stays open. We moved everything off of the deck yesterday so that we can clean, at least do a mop. But I really need to pressure wash all of the cement and all of the driveway before we stop tracking dust across the teak deck. Plenty of leftover materials, plenty of scrap wood to burn. I think Mardo might be a member of the Masonic Temple because they always make a cornerstone when they start a project. The White Castle is a half bath, but it's built like a castle so that a 2,500 liter water tank can sit on top, go to a water pump and expansion tank so that we could have constant water pressure and water when the utility goes down or when electricity goes down, even if it's just gravity feed. Yeah, I got a lot of work to do. This this tool room, there are things in here I don't even remember that I had because it's been so long since I've seen them. So yes, empty the entire room, sweep, pressure wash, get rid of all the bees nests and wasp nests, la. But I couldn't be happier.